Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the next topic, that is nitrogen cycle. As we know that nitrogen cycle we already discussed in 7th and 8th standard, but again we revise the same topic. So let us we start the nitrogen cycle. As we know that in atmosphere near about 78% nitrogen is present, but that nitrogen is not directly available to the plants, so that atmospheric nitrogen is required to get converted into the different nitrogenous compounds like ammonia, nitrite and nitrate. So that conversion of that atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate, whatever the conversion process is there, that conversion process is called as a nitrogen cycle. So let us see one by one. So as we know that atmospheric nitrogen, which is not directly absorbed or directly used by the plants, so that atmospheric nitrogen is get converted into the ammonia. So that what happens, that conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia is takes place with the help of rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the roots. So that process is called as ammonification. That is, in short, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia is takes place with the help of rhizobium bacteria. That process is called as ammonification. Okay, but as we know that only potato and barley, these are two crops, they take the ammonical form of nitrogen, or they absorb the ammonical form of nitrogen. Otherwise all the crops, they do not absorb the ammonical form of nitrogen, so that ammonia is again get converted into the next nitrogenous compound known as nitrite. It is also called as a nitrite. This is called as a nitrite. Okay, so that conversion of ammonia into nitrite is takes place with the help of the nitrifying bacteria known as nitrosomonas. With the help of which bacteria? Nitrosomonas. That nitrosomonas bacteria, with the help of that, ammonia is get converted into nitrite. Then as we know that nitrite form of nitrogen, which is not again available to the plants, so that nitrite is again get converted into the next called as an nitrate. That is, nitrite means NO2. So that NO2 is get converted into NO3. That is, nitrite is get converted into the nitrate with the help of bacteria called as nitrifying bacteria. That is, which is nitrifying bacteria? Second nitrifying bacteria, that is nitrobacter. The first nitrifying bacteria, that is nitrosomonas, that convert ammonia into nitrite, and nitrite get converted into nitrate with the help of nitrifying bacteria, that is nitrobacter. So this is about the journey of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate. Sometime what happens, लाइटनिंग स्ट्राईक इज टेक्स प्लेस. काही वेळा विजा कडकतात किंवा पावसाच्या वेळेस विजा कडकतात. सो ड्युरिंग दॅट रेन, अलॉंग विथ द रेन, द सम नायट्रोजन विच इज कम्स विथ द अलॉंग विथ द रेन and they are comes in contact with the soil. Okay, so whatever the nitrogen they comes in contact with the soil along with the rain, so they are in form in the nitrate. They are in the form in nitrate. So what happens, that nitrate form of nitrogen is absorbed by the plants for their growth to make their proteins. That is, plant absorb nitrate to make the proteins and another building block of elements. Then mostly that plants, it get eaten by the animals. That is, that animal eat the plants to get the proteins. Okay, so in examination what happens, the question will be asked plant takes the nitrogen in the form of dash dash, that is nitrate. Don't write the ammonical form or nitrite form. Okay, so you should write the nitrate. Plant take the nitrogen in the form of nitrate. So again, nitrate is absorbed by the plants to make the proteins and other building block of elements, and that plants is eaten by the animals, okay, to get the proteins. So the waste product of animals, that is called as an cow dung here, that is called as an cow dung, waste product of animal. And the dried leaves of that plants, that is another, it is called as an plant waste. So animal waste, that is cow dung, and plant waste, that is dried leaves of that plants. So what happens here, after the decomposition of that plant waste and animal waste, so they release the nitrogenous compound, that is ammonia, into the soil. After complete decomposition of that plant and animal waste, they release the compound, that is ammonia. Then that ammonia is again get converted, that is NH3 is converted into the nitrate with the help of another nitrifying bacteria. Okay, so that whatever the nitrate is converted from the ammonia, that some of the nitrate is again absorbed by the plants, and remaining nitrogen again back goes to the atmosphere. Okay, how they goes, that nitrate is get converted into the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of the denitrifying bacteria. With the help of denitrifying bacteria, denitrifying means what? Those bacteria which convert that nitrate into the atmospheric nitrogen. So that nitrate is get converted into the back to the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of denitrifying bacteria. So that process is called as a denitrification process. Okay, so again, the in atmosphere, that nitrogen is comes in contact with the atmosphere. So again we discuss this same process. Again, just rewind that process. We will rewind. Atmospheric nitrogen, that which is not available directly to the plants, is get converted into the ammonia. That process is called as an ammonification with the help of bacteria rhizobium. Next step, ammonia is get converted into nitrite, that is NO2, with the help of nitrifying bacteria called as nitrosomonas. This is one of the most important objective. Then nitrite, which is not directly absorbed by the plants, so that nitrite is get converted into the nitrate with the help of bacteria, that is nitrifying bacteria called as nitrobacter. Then similarly, during lightning strike, the rain is come in contact with the soil. So along with the rain, nitrogenous compounds like nitrate is comes in contact with the soil. Then that nitrate is absorbed by the plants to make the proteins. Then plants is eaten by the animals to get the proteins. Then whatever the waste product of plants and animals, like animal waste and plant waste, after the complete decomposition of that plant and animal waste, they release the ammonical compounds, that is ammonia. That ammonia is get again converted into nitrates by the certain nitrifying bacteria. Some of the nitrate is again absorbed by the plants. Again that cycle is carried out, and remaining nitrogen is get converted into the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of denitrifying bacteria. So the conversion of nitrates NO3 into the atmospheric nitrogen is called as a denitrification process. And those plants which absorb the nitrate to make the proteins, that process is also called as a proteolysis. It is called as a proteolysis. And then another next point, the conversion of ammonia into nitrite and nitrite into nitrate is called as a nitrification process. That process is called as a nitrification process. So this is whole about the nitrogen cycle. So in different books, different process or different steps are given. So this is very simple process. So if your examination, the nitrogen question will be asked on nitrogen cycle. So you should draw the nitrogen cycle and draw the same points here. Okay. So this is very important cycle. If any difficulty arises from that topic, so please you should ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Then in notes the reaction is also given. So you can also write the reaction along with the different steps involved in nitrogen cycle. Okay. Thank you.